Once the year starts, I am pumped. I am ready. In this new video, we're gonna see the 5 things I make sure I do every single year before the new year starts. Before we dive right in, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, put a like. I appreciate you so much in helping me reaching more people. There is some kind of magic for me in setting my goals and my results up and reviewing the year before the year ends. Family goals, the personal goals, and the business goals, of course. So once the year starts, I am pumped. I am ready with a little bit of manifestation and hard work. Write a comment down below what you do as a ritual every single year to set yourself up for success, or what you have never done before and you're gonna try this year. Number 1 is review of the previous dream board. This year goals, how did it go, what we achieved, what we didn't achieve. Number 2 is set for yourself new empowering incredible goals in all areas of your life. Number 3, I start designing my new vision board using Pinterest, using Google Images. Really be grateful and tap myself on the shoulder. Number 5, start planning. How do I get there smarter, faster, in a most effective way? Dreaming and planning, reorganizing the systems in the company to make sure I achieve that. But we're gonna see every single point in detail. If you want to check one instead of the other, I'm gonna list all the chapters down below so you can just move across them. Number 1 is check how the previous year, the one that is ending, has gone. Did I hit my targets? Was it like, how did business go? How did family help? Why you didn't achieve what you set for yourself? These couple of years have been really challenging for every single person, every single business. With business, you remind yourself in the quarter, reevaluate, how did the quarter go? What is the result I set for myself for the end of the year? What do I need to achieve this quarter so I am sure that I'm gonna be as close as possible, if not smashing that result? What did happen there? Did I achieve my goals or didn't I? In which measure did I achieve them? What didn't go as per plans? Did I dream too big, or maybe way less bigger than what I could have? That's why I really didn't push myself. Maybe I didn't set enough milestones to make sure that I would keep an eye on that specific goal. I kind of forgot along the way about the goal. Maybe my purpose, the why I wanted to reach something, was not strong enough. Once you have finished reviewing with a more of an objective kind of eye, I make sure I take the time to really be grateful and tap myself on the shoulder, because if you're a little bit like myself, like a super high achiever, we have the tendency to kind of beat ourselves up instead of saying, you know what, you did incredible, well done, I'm so proud of you. And I really invite you to take a second to do the same. Nobody will come and pat you on the shoulder. You have to make sure you do it at least once a year. I'm not saying much. Sometimes, and maybe way too many times, as a mother, I kind of forgot to take good care of myself, my health, sport. So now that the little one is gonna start with nursery, there is no more excuse, because trust me, even with the nanny, then I didn't push myself. So it's never about how busy you are. We all have time to do things. Some are way more fortunate than others, but we are always kind of busy. No matter how busy we truly are, if we want to find the time to do something, if something is so important that it's a must, then we're gonna find the time. One of my biggest goals for this year is taking great care of myself. No matter how many business achievements I get, if I feel frustrated or burned out, I am not the best mom I could be, the best wife I could be. It's so important. Number 2, I set a new empowering, motivating, incredible goals in all areas of my life for the year to come. Once the goals are there, I break them down. For business, past couple of years, I've switched it from sales, from turnover to net profit. I don't care anymore about how many sales I've done. Of course, it is always nice to see the green arrow going up, but the truth is I just focus on net profits. How much net do I want to do in 1 year. I set for myself an incredible 30 days challenge. How much can I achieve in net profit within 30 days? If we hit that goal, we celebrate like crazy, doing something with the family that we truly enjoy. And every year has been the same thing. If you're just starting out, I really recommend you to start with the turnover, with the sales, amount of sales you want to achieve. Of course, you want to have healthy sales. You can have profitable products from day one, but it's very challenging to be profitable as a business within the first year. This is not me, of course, saying it. This is literally PhDs and business school kind of material. I personally find this challenge so empowering. Before I was more concerned. Now it's literally the money game. Multiplying my money is fun, and I come from a very, very poor mindset. For me, saying making money is fun, multiplying my money is fun. I am a money machine. It's super empowering. If I tell you that I set for this year that is coming to an end a net amount in 30 days that I thought I was just out of my mind, then not only we hit it, we smash it. I don't know. I truly believe in the law of attraction, not in terms of law of attraction, like I sit down and something is gonna fall on my head. I don't believe in that. I believe in focus. That's why I create dream boards, vision boards. That's why I create clear goals. And then I set for myself clear milestones and steps to take every week, every month, every single day in order for me to get there as fast as possible. Then once you do all of that and you are so clear and focused, then the universe, God, just come and give you a hand. I don't know, it's mind-blowing. I feel so deeply grateful and blessed, and I hope it's gonna just get better and better so I can build something incredible for myself, for my family, for my daughter, and other people, because the more money you make, the more you can help. That's what I believe. Once I have set for myself a new incredible amount I want to achieve in profit for the whole year, and a challenge of profit I want to achieve within 30 days, I take a moment to just feel empowered, to feel motivated, to feel inspired by it. And if I feel that way, then I start going on Pinterest, going on Google, putting together quotes and images that resonates, that motivates me, that gives me that vibe of happiness and success and freedom. Just a quick announcement, the slots to book your free 30-minute strategic call with me for your Amazon business for 2022 are now available. Make sure you click the link in the description box and book yourself in, because I kind of fly out very quickly. Number 5 is start envisioning, how am I going to get there faster, smarter, in a smoother way, without anxiety, without overwhelm. That's where I start to break down the different income streams I have, set for each and every one of them a yearly net profit goal. Of course, we are talking about the business and personal finance. I divide everything into IGTs, income generating tasks. What are those tasks that make me money right away? Lower hanging fruit I can just grab. Then there are the growth tasks. What do I need to do in order to make growth happening? Now, these are not tasks that is going to generate me profit right away. These are all very needed steps in order for us to get to the next level. Growth in my company means systems. And of course, when the company needs to grow, usually the business owner is the roadblock for the growth. My time, my space, I am what is stopping my company to get to the next level. I take the time to see what I am doing in the company. Can I trim this? Can I trash it? Can I delegate it? Then I move into the maintenance task, because if something is something that I can delegate, it's more likely to be at this stage still maintenance. Plan the teamwork, new shifts, new responsibilities. Do we need to change the tasks, the way they are doing some of the tasks, so they become more efficient? They can trim and trash. They can start delegating. One of them can become a manager. I can hire someone else to be under them. Promotions, bonuses, challenges, deadlines. With a virtual team, it can be more challenging just to set clear boundaries and goals. Maybe they're not performing as I thought they would. Without a team, there is no growth. I have thought for the longest of the time, you do it all by yourself because the profit and what you get in your pocket is way more important. That's what I was so wrong. Even if at the beginning it might seem like an expense, a cost, hiring someone, if it's the right person, is the right fit for you and your company, your family, it's the best thing you can actually do. And it will start making you money right away if you focus on your IGTs, income generating tasks. So of course, if I hire someone and then I go and chill and watch Netflix, then might not be sustainable in the long run. But if I hire someone to do something that is taking away my time from IGTs, then I can go and help more clients, get more coaching clients, or I can get more people on board to find new products for me and the company. Make sure you set for yourself incredible, challenging, yet achievable goals. 2021 has been an incredible journey. I will share more with you. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in 2022. Bye bye.